Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in the previous video, we have completed our code development. Let's change this CPP program into exe format. I mean the inj.exe. Okay, let's give me the save and let's go to the C. I have created one of the folder for our course Udemy in my VM. Okay, so let's save this file test.cpp and yeah, here's a program. So if you are using any VM machine, so you have a compiler called, you can use the x64 native tools command prompt. Okay, so run as you don't need to give run as an administrator, but it's okay. Let's redirect to the directory c dash udemy. Okay, so now we are going to cl.exe compiler to compile this code. Okay, so here is the code. Let me rename our program into process injection.exe. Yeah, let it be a test. Okay, so anyway, so let it be a test, and so you have to give the test here test.cpp. Let's take this and go to the prompt. Now you can find the C++ program has been converted into inj, right? It's now it's an executable. You can use procmon or any tool to investigate this. Okay, so let's uh, inject it. Okay, let's execute this program. Okay, so we will use you can double click on the program and you can execute, you can do whatever, but I am using the cmd. So before that we will we'll give lvp 8678, right? 8678. So let's execute the process. Okay, inj.exe. So now you can find the notepad pdos 4444. So let me execute. So I didn't get a reversal. So this do you know why? So because I have used this payload. Okay, this is the payload which I have used previously created. So we need to use that port. Okay, so 8765 which I have created before, but this is the payload I have shown, right? This is the payload I have used. Let's cancel this and let's execute this now. So now you can see I got a reverse connection 8765. Okay, so you can do the same thing. This part is a very important, creating the payload and the port. Okay, to show you I have created this payload, but I have created the payload before and all by the port 8765. Okay, so you can do that. Now I got a reverse connection. You can control anything in the machine. Okay, ifconfig, oh sorry, it's a Windows, so we need to use the ip config. So my IP address will be 18.22. so you can see the same IP. You can see the same IP here. ifconfig, sorry, ip config. So 18.22. so you can control the Windows machine now. Who am I /all. So it was giving a it's a part of a local administrator group, but we are in a medium mandatory level. Okay, so note that we are in a medium mandatory level. Okay, so there is one more thing. Okay, let me show you. So I executed this notepad in the normal command line, right? I executed this notepad in a normal command line. Okay, so what if I execute this notepad in a administrator prompt? Let's see the scenario 8765. Let we will execute this injection ing program in a run as an administrator prompt. Okay, so let's redirect to udemy ing. Let me verify. Okay, there is a listener code was going on. So now the notepad window has changed. Process ID was 3996. Let me execute. So now here you can find I got a reverse connection. Let me check the privilege now. Who am I / all. So okay, so still we are getting the medium mandatory level. Okay, so let's we'll do one more thing. We'll execute our payload. Go for udemy. Now we will execute the run as an administrator in between. Okay, yes. So now we will check our privilege. Who am I / all. Yeah, okay, so it was still in the medium mandatory level. No problem in that. We will elevate our privilege in the privilege elevation section. Okay, we will change this medium mandatory level to high mandatory level in the privilege escalation section. Okay, don't worry about that. We'll do that. So because medium mandatory level will not have enough privilege to do much things, so you need to change to high or a system level to do a lot of things. So we will elevate the escalate our privilege in the privilege escalation section medium to high. Okay, so let's stop off this video and we will continue our discussion in next video. See you guys. Bye bye.